Hello, I'm Pushkar and I'm discussing KVPY 2019 Essay Part 2 Chemistry paper. I'm a master teacher in chemistry at Vedantu. Let's enjoy this solution. For 1 mole of a van der Waals gas, the compressibility factor Z at a fixed volume will certainly decreases if B increases and A decreases, B decreases and A increases, temperature increases at constant A and B values, and B increases at constant A and temperature. So these are the options. So compressibility factor at a fixed volume, when we talk about the compressibility factor, the first thing which comes to our mind is that Z is equals to PV upon an RT. And for the van der Waals gases, if we want to write this factor, then we know that P plus A by V square into V minus B is equals to RT. Let's write it for 1 mole of a gas. So if we expand this, we get PV minus PB plus A by V minus AB by V square is equals to RT. And so we can write PV upon RT minus PB upon RT plus A by VRT minus AB by, we have to multiply this divided by RT, AB by V square RT must be equal to 1. So we can say that Z is equal to 1 and minus A by VRT plus PB by RT and plus AB by V square RT. So let us see what we can conclude from this. So if A is increasing, if B increases and A decreases, what can we see? If A is decreasing and B is increasing, obviously we can see that the Z is going to be what? More than 1. So if Z is going to be more than 1, it's going to be less and less compressible. B is increasing and A is decreasing at a constant temperature, then compressibility factor is going to increase. So this option could not be correct. And if B decreases and A increases at constant temperature, then of course it's going to increase. From that equation, you can easily get to know about it. B decreases and A increases. Can you see? Yeah. If A is increasing and B is decreasing, so positivity is becoming less and negativity is becoming more. So you are removing something from 1. So Z is becoming less and less than 1. So it is becoming more compressible. Third option is temperature increases at constant A and B value. Of course, in this situation, if you increase the temperature, we all know that the gas will become less and less compressible, because we also know the one other graph of the van der Waals gases where we plot a Z versus P graph. So generally this graph looks like this at a given temperature, but when we increase the temperature, the graph goes like this. And if you remember it well, at certain temperature, it even goes like straight line. And this temperature is known as TB, Boyle's temperature. So it clearly shows that as you increase the temperature, the Z also increases. Okay, so that is option 3 is also ruled out, because for given the compressibility factor at fixed will certainly decrease. No, I think with C it's going to increase, and B increases at constant A and temperature. So if you're increasing B, to in any case the Z is going to increase, so that is also not the correct option. So the correct option is, the best option is the B option. A very good question of real gases, and that's going to help you in other competitive examinations as well. So mostly students have confusion about this A and B. What are the uh, you know the the implications of the effect of A and B? So this question is taking all this thing into the account. That's the best way to approach this. Just open up the van der Waals equation and get your conclusions. Okay, and this is another piece of information you need to get to the answer. I hope that you understand this solution, and for getting detailed solutions of such questions, stay tuned, keep watching. Thanks for watching.